since we reacted to some One Piece, I'm gonna have to react to some Kozuki Oden, because there's something about this character that a lot of people be sleeping on. So we're gonna get straight into Paradise Waterfall. But before we get straight into it, make sure y'all like and subscribe. And also, I have seen some recent comments saying y'all want me to react to some Naruto, some Dragon Ball. Put some specific fights in the description, and then I'll react to it. Alright, but without further ado, let's get straight into it.
Oden 二刀流
Hey, let's go.